Kwaba kesi bi ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bi dwumadi so dia wo kansi wo sempan sa kena no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Alregina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono kwantin coding small do and sa kena no pensu bi wo kana agudie 8 jaw chane so ma se nwuma kuni emiensa o mo na etachira boama ena no penso ye de nkomo no 8 jaw 1x bet I always told you that betting there is better than saka when intasima we chiri so twan before din befu twan kuma bia wodi ne kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo oyere oma wo fasefo na mu kunumu eno mpnafo na se na kwa efia de 1x bet eno de betia bo monya financial freedom tia fa ho jim utwan befu a wodi ne befu nemum bet with money that you can afford to lose ka ire nya ya no eno an ye twa bet je fast mr do it actually infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chewa on satimi kan je fast do e betia boa prapra harawa na mo bo ho amo atua di nchini ache na fe sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas be pimo na se do ba kwa e prapra harawa na mo bo mo atimi di nchini che no sedimo gel and roll-on okwa shama me market an sabetia ka bitema so enye na ho se wuto bi dia ye ho na se wuto akoton no obetia from 0208219129 na on a sedimo gel and roll-on from pain for yanhwetwe nkomo yehwemwa emaniama 1822 ye enfamao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step Pienchas Yemfamfi England Chelsea captain Dini Caesar Azpilicueta also announced the departure from the Premier League club no after 11-year spell with Stamford Bridge and also Ebuna Kitim Ednani Achirebe Fufu 20 PM Chelsea for catch no and home and so ensema and also at 20 PM said New West and Mexico so Messi Mount at the near 20 mu Manchester United England for catch no and this revelation so at me asaba after 18 years Chelsea for akachi but yen fani in 20 mu crowd from dia na say theater Ghana dem dia honorable Adrenaline Team Van der Point kan so for hwa kudie ne mabunu so e den komo kakra ba na asmo kan na say Ghana ase yani hyeda mre ewe ya hosisi ayeye se be ya betin dia competition ase na mpese yetimi akopija frank na gina kunkon no sa hyehyɛ ne de MCB nyama ya adwumu ye.
Me, I have said it and I will say it again. As a country, we are not serious with sports. We need to sit down and plan well and know what we want to do with sports. That's the only way we can. If we don't know what to do with sports, we will continue. Look, today, as I'm talking to you today, Kenya has built almost a world athletics oval. That we can have world athletics championship in Kenya. Morocco have done same. Algeria have done same. South Africa already has it. What about Ghana? What about Ghana? So we are not really putting, like you said, putting our money where we should achieve results. We are just throwing money into the drain. And that is what I think all of us must look at. That's the only way we can be able to correct this issue of treating sores. You know, we develop a sore, we treat it, we develop a sore, we treat it, will not help us. Because one day, and get into the future, it becomes cancerous, and we cannot be able to hold it anymore. We need to determine to say that, look, this is what we have done in the past. You can't continue doing the same thing all the time and expect to get a different result. We are not achieving the result because we'll be doing the same thing all the time. Let's change. Let's do it this way. It will take some time, but then we'll be able to build a sustainable program which will yield results tomorrow.
The Honorable Adrenaline Team Van der Point NDC penso no ana na yeso afọ hwa kudie ne mabunu so na tene kan so de ne komo eja fasina Ghana kudie nyama esi anwene ne sen esi akudu na yentinto mu nkrafofom dia na ese local organizing committee Tibrekese for 2023 African Games at Ghana yakantam ese kwa bia so beje esi esreso no owura Dr. Kwaku Ofosu Asare wode nkomo kakra ba ne nkomo de abagina ese project aban ede gu akwam a ede so so awofam hwe anim se kwa bia so betia wie na ede host sa competition nyame adoma ogidi pass be wie ansa na competition na empo ahyase na empo kra no inyakwanya ebitia san test facilities no we nkomo a odija emra na mpemfo atuturu to ne hwehwuru twoni abenfo a wo mu di sa agudie ho hyehye achi no wo mu ekonsahwe wo miamia hodo a aban de so so abofam ehwe anim se kwa bia so no wo ebitimi asi infrastructure ebitia boa ema 2023 African Games no so awiye.
Government of Ghana is so committed to doing these games. You know that since 1965, this is the first time we are getting the opportunity to host the games. And the president has given us every assurance, despite the challenges we are having. COVID, what have you, Ukraine. I'm not a politician anyway. But what is going on recently, elsewhere, I have spoken to so many African countries. Elsewhere, they would have pulled out. But our government is committed to getting things done. And we are hoping that we will host the games and to be one of the best ever in the history of the games.
Ti Dr. Kwakufu Suasari ono a local organizing committee tibrekese the African Games at 2023 in painful training sekwan bia so betimi asi dwumedie bia edi ne po na nyame adoma ye de 18 times so next year na sa dwumedie no ebetumi aba so but yen konkra fufu mu so a na say football for akache no Charles Kwadwo team Mickey Charles and amanfo ebono samane efre no or football administrator or to ne satia de akere Ministry of Youth and Sports na small kan say minister no on finani na dwumedie odi no aso mo hyeda hu so kra mo gidi pass minister ne fi ne ebetia boa e magudi aka 92 passports so empemfo awum no wo so agina yi.
You see, on say Ghana no ye bibia akwa football. Football no so be atembia you need a strong federation. Okay. Association. So association is stronger. You as a sports minister no tembia wona mana o feel proud. So be kaya emre bi etwa mu. Obeti NDC na be o say aye 2-1. MPP Weba say, oh, yes, you have 2-2. Because all the ministers there were very strong. And then the how do we call it? The Football Association united. Until we give them that support. And the minister be a tournament, be na what you say, national teams in the but because association we no enko ye no aye cat administration until minister and performance. There's no way so bro. Because under this minister, you are Cup of Nations, like I told you. Yeah, the 1 point spend by. Yeah, because World Cup. I'm called that minister, my minister, but TV so. Ebe kasa ya say, oh, yeah, call World Cup na kwaja. Me boa ka chance me boa me so sabonyo. Oh yes, I'm training. What in na be? Minister say ya kwaja cup aba.
Ti Charles Kwadwo team, Mickey Charles football administrator and attending can say we dey kwa back with him kakra historical antecedent of senior football as ya call under the various ministries no gidi pass ya na omode niam football for yen ewa home but this time no where's the name Asia course na nese Ghana gudi no asa ya ka kwantum na ever ni nchen ka fufum dia na ese vice president the Dreams Football Club the and Prince Abdul Hamid one also den komo kakra eja na asemo kan say womo qualify from the MTNFA Cup omo Confederations Cup ewa Africa South Africa kwantu kese no omo ayi Accra Sports Stadium se hono besio makan emu coach obetia santo aso atentemante no amom de omani achemu Africa no coach Karim Zito ono ane demba kwa Africa no
sure Karim Zito part of Dreams FC is part of Dreams FC become part of Dreams FC family. This is a family and Karim Zito is our head when it comes to anything. I'm not sports director at the same time we head of coach at this moment because I don't know he is in charge of the junior side and state believe. Okay. So Karim Zito there Tembia over on Karim Zito
Mutimi Pamno
Debbie only Bibiako. This didn't Lunuma will be eventually Lunama but you will come back.
Sana moye siki some time ago no. The Prince Abdul Ahmed, a vice president at the Dreams Football Club, not in the council, didn't come 8 start to just say Karim Zito, the position partner, the team Sampa, or no a sports director, our Dreams Football Club for catch on the big team, no, a quiz say on the money, a bit team, our Africa Confederations Cup, and so, or more air quack, Bramo Bion Sampa, Dreams Football Club, FA president, the Namujan Sopa, 1xbet, or Madama, Omnetech, the woman and operating community Jao. So modern that say open bet there manenye 1xbet no bet with money that you can afford to lose. Jeffas Mr. Address it infections gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis wife tetanus with deep natural was that me can Jeffas I bet ya boa e maniama atutu dia ma ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops in emu was open Jeffas Mr. no and do bet ya boa said more gel and roll on for pampas be pimo na say do e to pain ya dia say na boa e ma wo de no so 8 me gina yie but modern da so bet ya friend pay for 020821 9129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on phone paying for entry komo ehwem a emaniama 1822 infama madama woman attached boama agokensi nsempa sakan na no pay so yetimi edebrew medin the profit wala sagudi catch back open am ginamudi of course evidence based presentation yetimi ja radin tinani ma onye okese onyi fi be ni da so ni fan ko be ni da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.